Hey, what's happening? It's Garth here, and I've got a quick video for you today. This video is on affiliate marketing training. So if you're interested in doing some affiliate marketing, want to get some free training, I've teamed up with Chad. Now Chad's here, he's in the picture on this, you can see right now on the screen here. I've teamed up with him. He's got this amazing training that he's going to go through for absolutely free. You can access it for free. And he's only just put it together. Anyway, he's doing like a 90-day challenge, to get people at $2,000 to $4,000 per month. Okay, very doable. And he explains and breaks down everything about affiliate marketing, the different processes, how to go through and do it, and gives you all the tools that you need to do it. So totally free to get into. I want you to check out this video. Watch this video here. And then we've got, after you watch the video, click the blue button to join the challenge. Okay, as I said, free to join. And you can check out these other videos if you've got time. See some of the other guys that are really crushing it right now. And, in affiliate marketing, $9,000, $4,000. Even this guy, Liam's at 25 grand is made promoting affiliate products. So, some really awesome content there. I've had a quick look at the training. I'm halfway through the training, and I'm really impressed with what I've seen so far. So if you're really into that and want to get some more information on, how do you go about affiliate marketing and the different training, all you need to do is check out the link. I'll put the link below. You'll get access to it through my chatbot. Just click the link, and then you'll get sent the video. You'll get to this page here. So sign up for that now. It's absolutely free. And then, if you like this video, if you like the content, if you like that training that you're getting, just give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for to the channel, and also for live notifications when I do those. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.